first what you're gonna do is you'll remove the lever from the valve. You'll have your body just like this. You'll remove the existing nut and spring from your valve. You may have the O-ring stick in there. You just grab something and pop that out. Next, you'll grab your repair kit bag, open it up, and keep your parts out. Drop the spring in, and then take your nut, push it in, and thread it in. You will take your wrench and tighten it down. And then you should be able to compress. You'll take the screw and the nut and put on your lever, and you are all done. Ta-da!